Hello smart people, Miss Ace here. Today we're going to talk about the calendar project. You will create 31 questions in total that has the answer matching with each day of the month. Okay. Then you're going to decorate your calendar in any theme that you like. Most common one is Halloween theme because of October, but you don't have to decorate as the Halloween theme. Any theme will be fine. Okay. And what we're looking at right now is the rubric. So for each box, each day of the month, you need to have the following things. You need to have problem, you have to have solution, and decoration. Every single box. Okay. So as you see that 30 question, 30 solution, 30 decoration, which is 31 point each, is 90 points in total. Outside decoration should be 10 points. Okay, you have to decorate the outside, the edges, outside of the calendar. So the total point is 100 points. If you go over and beyond, then more than my expectation, you will earn some extra credit. Okay, the requirement, you have to have at least 10 of one-step equation, 10 of multi-step equation, 6 of distributive equation, and 5 variable on each side of the equation. Okay. Alright, so 15 bonus point will award for best decoration. Okay. This due on Friday, October 25th, 2024. Okay. Alright, so here's the calendar. You all should have something look like this. Okay. For today, our focus is not on this calendar, but if you have it, write your name and period and put it to the side. We're gonna go to the scratch paper, this one. Okay, we're gonna talk about this. Alright, on this scratch paper, on your paper, I just write down for you. Let me try to recall what I wrote on the paper. Okay, I found my pen. Alright, so I believe the first column I write down is a scratch or setup. You're gonna set up the equation here. Okay, and then you're gonna solve the equation over here. Solving part is the part that's gonna be on your calendar. Alright, step equation. 10 of one step equation. Here how it's worked. You're gonna draw a square. Okay. And this square is the date of the month. So first box is day 1. See that one step, you can choose whatever you want to do with this one. Add, subtract, multiply, divide. So I'm going to say that I'm going to add. Okay, 1 plus a number of your choice, any number. Let's say I pick 7. Okay, so what does 1 plus 7 give you? 1 plus 7 is 8. Alright, that will be it. Okay, so our next step is we're going to replace your box by x plus 7 equal to 8. That will be your equation. Solve. So you're going to take this over here and solve for it. X plus 7 equal to 8. We're going to solve for x. How do you solve for x? You're going to do opposite operation like the bell work we just worked on earlier. Subtract 7 to both sides. X equal to 1. Yes, definitely is x equal to 1. It's matching with the date that we choose earlier. Can we set it up that way? Okay. Alright, one more example. Let's say day 2. And we're gonna draw a box. Okay. Always start with a box. Day 2, so you're gonna put 2 in here. Okay. One step equation. An equation of your choice. Let's say I add last time, maybe this time I want to multiply, right? Multiply by a number, let's say 2 times 3, for example. 2 times 3 is 6, correct. So your equation will be 3. The box will turn into x, 3x equal to 6. Okay. That's it. And that will be your equation over here. 3x equal to 6. Then we'll solve for x. Oh, that's pretty big. Okay, to isolate the x, we're going to do inverse operation. We're going to divide by 3 to both sides. So x equal to 2 as the answer. And of course, we expect that x equal to 2, matching with the date of the month. And that is the answer in the square. Alright, I'm going to go over here. First, draw the square. Okay. Second, what do you want to do with this square? Add, subtract, multiply. Pick one of your choice. Let's say if I subtract this time, we have add, we have multiply, now I'm going to do subtract. Let's say 9 minus, we're going to pick a random number. 9 minus 3. What is 9 minus 3? The answer is 6. Okay, then we will have x minus 3. Okay. Go back. Sorry. I need to change this to thinner line. Alright, so that is our equation. X minus 3 equal to 6. Okay. Please do not copy this down. This is just the example, the idea for you. You're going to create your own equation. Do not write it down. Add 3 to both sides. I know, I'm so sorry if some of you already write it down. You're not supposed to use my equation. Create your own. X equal to 9. That's it. X equal to 9, matching with the date of the month. Maybe one more problem, then we will call it the day. You're going to finish 10 of them in total. Do not use my example. I repeat it again. Do not use my number, my equation. Every single one should have a different problem. Alright, box. So in the box we're going to put 10. Okay, we have add, subtract, multiply. So this time we're going to do divide. 10 divided by what? You can pick any number, but I would choose a number that 10 can divide it by evenly. I would say either 2 or 5 or 1, but it doesn't make sense to divide by 1. So 10 divided by 2 equal to 10 divided by 2, which is equal to 5. Okay, so we will write it like x. X divided by 2 equal to 5. Okay, now that is correct. There's nothing wrong with this one, but Mr. 8 wants to be a little fancier. So what we're going to do is we're going to write down x over 2 equal to 5. Yep, it looked more fancier than write x divided by 2 like this. Alright, so we're going to solve for x. We need to get rid of the denominator. X divided by 2, so we do inverse operation. Time 2 to both sides. Okay, which allow you to cross out the 2. X equal to 10, as we wish. Alright, I don't want to take too much of your time. Today is minimum day, so go ahead and get this done. If you actually need more example, you can look up the old video. I think it's 2022 if you need more example. But the idea is pretty much that's it. Create 10 questions of your choice in any date that you want, but you want to do one-step equation for today. 10 questions. Alright guys, have a great day. I will check with you tomorrow. I'm going to check how did you stay on task. Did you get 10 questions done correctly? Alright, okay, bye guys. See you all tomorrow.